Millions of white rice grains moving like a high-speed waterfall inside one of America's most advanced processing systems. This is the power of modern U.S. agriculture. Giant USA trucks unload tons of clean white rice into deep stainless steel receiving pits designed for non-stop industrial flow. High-power suction pipes lift the grains instantly, dropping them onto massive conveyor belts inside a spotless American processing facility. Advanced air blowers fire across the grains, removing husk and dust with machine-perfect precision. Next comes laser sorting, red and blue beams scanning thousands of grains per second, rejecting every defective piece. Inside the polishing chamber, rice rotates at ultra-high speed, turning brighter, smoother, and perfectly white. Vibration screeners separate the grains by size, ensuring flawless consistency for American consumers. Digital monitoring systems display real-time purity, humidity, and temperature as technicians oversee quality control. From the polishing line, clean white rice flows like snow into tall stainless steel silos built for climate-controlled storage. These massive USA silos hold millions of grains, protected by advanced humidity-stabilizing technology. Precision weighing machines calculate exact bag weights, accurate to the final grain. Robotic arms fill strong rice bags with smooth, steady flow, fast, clean, and fully automated. Industrial stitching machines seal every bag tightly to prepare them for long-distance shipping. Inside the loading warehouse, forklifts stack heavy bags in perfect alignment for efficient storage. Cooling and humidity control systems maintain ideal conditions to keep the rice fresh for months. Quality teams examine samples under bright purity lights, ensuring only premium rice reaches the market. Outside, massive delivery trucks wait at loading docks for nationwide distribution. Workers load the sealed bags quickly and safely, preparing shipments for multiple American states. Here, polished USA rice reaches its final stage, packaged, approved, and ready for supermarket shelves. Horizon Agro Farms, showcasing the future of American grain processing, one grain at a time. If you enjoy watching real USA factory systems and agricultural processing, subscribe to Horizon Agro Farms. More powerful and educational videos are coming every day.